Welcome back to Best Gear. Today we are breaking down the top 5 most advanced self-emptying robot vacuum and mop combos available right now. We are putting the latest flagship models from Roborock, Dreame, and Eufy head-to-head, so you can find the perfect hands-free cleaning solution for your floor plan. Let's get into the countdown. Kicking things off at number 5 is the Eufy Omni S2. If you are extremely particular about sanitation and want floors clean enough to eat off of, this is the machine you need to be looking at. The star of the show here is Eufy's Hydrojet 2.0 self-cleaning roller mop. Instead of just dragging a dirty pad around your house, it uses electrolyzed water to kill up to 99.99% of germs while continuously washing the roller during the cleaning cycle. It pairs that with a massive 30,000 Pascal Aero Turbo 2.0 suction system that rips deep-seated dust and allergens straight out of your carpet fibers. But the real magic happens at the 12-in-1 Omni station. This base doesn't just auto-empty your dustbin for up to 68 days, it washes the mop with scalding hot water, completely dries it with hot air to prevent odors, and even features a built-in fragrance diffuser. With its 3D Matrix 2.0 navigation recognizing over 200 different household obstacles, it's a brilliant, highly hygienic workhorse. Coming in at number 4 is the Dreame Matrix 10 Pro, which introduces one of the most tailored, customized cleaning systems we have ever seen. Not all rooms in your house are the same, and this robot actually understands that. Its unique power dock automatically switches between 3 completely different mop types and cleaning solutions depending on which room it's currently mapping. It matches the Eufy with 30,000 pascals of Vormax suction, but utilizes a HyperAM Duo brush specifically designed to prevent long hair and pet fur from tangling. The Pathfinder navigation array uses AI RGB cameras and structured light sensors to actively dodge up to 280 different objects. And when it returns to base, the dock blasts the mop pads with 212 Fahrenheit hot water and can hold up to 100 days of dust. With an extendable side brush that swings outward to get deep into baseboards, it leaves absolutely nowhere for dirt to hide. Taking our number 3 spot is the Roborock Saros 10R. If your house has a lot of low-clearance furniture, like heavy dressers, beds, and modern sofas, most robot vacuums will completely skip those areas because their top-mounted laser turrets are too tall. The Saros 10R completely eliminates that problem by being one of the slimmest premium robots ever built, sitting at just 3.14 inches tall. Despite the incredibly flat profile, it uses the Sterite Autonomous System 2.0 and 3D sensing to map perfectly and dodge cables and furniture legs. It packs 22,000 pascals of hyperforce suction and utilizes a zero-tangling Duo Divide main brush alongside anti-tangle wheels. If you have pets that shed everywhere and a house full of low-sitting furniture, this slim Navigator, complete with full self-emptying and hot air drying capabilities, is an absolute lifesaver. Just missing the top spot at number 2 is the sheer powerhouse known as the Dreame L60 Pro Ultra. If raw power and brute force mobility are your top priorities, look no further. This absolute beast pushes an astonishing 35,000 pascals of suction power, tearing debris out of thick, high-pile carpets like it's nothing. But the standout feature that makes this machine incredible is the ProLap obstacle crossing system. This robot can actively climb thresholds up to 3.47 inches high. If you live in an older home with massive floor transitions or step-downs that trap normal vacuums, the L60 Pro Ultra just climbs right over them. It also features a retractable LiDAR system that physically lowers the robot's profile to sneak under furniture when needed. Backed by a fully automated hot water washing and hot air drying station, it's a rugged, unstoppable cleaning machine. And finally, claiming the number 1 spot on Best Gear is the machine that feels like it fell out of the year 2050, the Roborock Saros Z70. The biggest annoyance with robot vacuums is having to pre-clean your floors by picking up socks and tissues before the robot runs. Well, Roborock finally solved it. The Saros Z70 features the Omni Grip mechanical arm, a literal 5-axis robotic arm built right into the chassis. Powered by AI dual cameras, it can identify and physically pick up objects weighing up to 300 grams, moving them out of the way before continuing its cleaning path. It's absolutely mind-blowing to watch. On top of that groundbreaking tech, it delivers 22,000 pascals of suction, upgraded hot water mopping for stubborn kitchen stains, and an AdaptiLift chassis that climbs 4-centimeter thresholds and aggressively lifts its mop high out of the way when it detects carpet. For sheer innovation, intelligence, and hands-free convenience, the Saros Z70 is the undisputed king of 2026. Automating your chores has never looked this good. Whether you need the extreme threshold climbing of the Dreame L60 or the robotic arm of the Saros Z70, these machines will literally give you your weekends back. Which of these 5 flagship bots would you let loose in your house? Let me know down in the comments. I've put links to all of the vacuums we covered today in the description below so you can check out the latest prices. If you found this buying guide helpful, please hit that like button. Subscribe to Best Gear for more premium tech reviews, and I will see you in the next video.